ideated giving a work of art to the city. We wanted something that would symbolize the longevity of the relationship of our company with the community.
It's a symbol of growth, revitalization, and civic pride. It reminds us of our history together and reflects the bright future we are building side by side.
And now this beautiful mural is a reality.
To my left is the industrial part of Michigan City that starts off from a spark, ingredients that create steel, the workers behind it to make the steel mills that becomes the factories that becomes what we have now today. The other side is more of a historical organic side where the settlers before us, which were the Native Americans that came here and placed their footprint here to create these ports and these seaways for commerce, for trade. And what you see now are two binoculars, one for tourism and one for technology.
We are excited to share this gift with the people of Michigan City and look forward to the next 60 years together. Thank you so much.